Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, hello, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Checking in. Looks like we got some people signing in on X to watch the stream. Just taking a quick look here at the financial juice, see what's going on. Canadian GDP month over month at 5:30, which already passed. So nothing really going on. I think I just saw a video. I don't know if Trump is actually live right now. No, this looks like a recording.
Music licensing.
Hey, Keith. Good morning. How you doing? Keith, my man. So we sort of finished off the night pretty bullish. I was in a long trade on ES for 4 hours yesterday. I entered long on like the break and hold of the overnight VWAP, and I was in it for four hours. I wasn't like hyper focused on it until like the last hour or so, and the price, went into a little bit of profit, and then it went out and in and out and in and out because it's been so choppy. And then eventually I ended up putting my stop in, and I ended up taking $8 out of the market for 4 hours of trade. Not very ideal, but it's all good. I did take a trade on gold a little bit later, which made me $50 here in my 50K top 1 futures account.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, well, let's try to be patient here this morning. See what happens with the price. It is Friday. Look at that, hey? Just noticed this channel I had drawn on gold before. Looks like it's respecting it from a few days before. A few days or yesterday. October 30th. Yeah, yesterday.
Artlist.io.
All right. Pretty set up here. Let's get the couple more things going. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm still sick. My
Music licensing.
Sinuses are a little bugged today. A little bit. And I probably sound a little sort of like a frog or something. Oh, excuse me.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
So we got about 3 minutes to the bell here, guys.
Artlist.io.
One minute and 20 seconds till the bell here, guys. We'll just be ready here to add our VWAP on the opening bell.
Artlist.
In about 50 seconds, gonna grab some coffee.
Artlist.io.
Figured I better be smart and start with water instead of coffee this morning. 22 seconds here till the opening bell.
Music licensing.
And then, of course, the trade that I was in, it went sideways all night. And then eventually just broke out this morning into the areas where I had my take profits. So, it is what it is. So point of control is pretty important today, guys. Point of control is at 68.94 on ES, and the value area high was the one that NQ was respecting. There we go. We got our opening candles here, so let's get our VWAPs going. And on the gold,
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's pulling back right away, guys. Right out of the gate. NQ ES also pulling back a bit. We'll have to see what happens here at the point of control for the ES. Let's go back here to let's get this on ES, guys.
Artlist.io.
Just adjusting the chart a little bit here. That looks better. And let's get over to MES.
Music licensing reimagined.
What's up to everybody who tuned in here? We got 6 in Randy's X, 10 in my X, 11 in Nick's X, 3 in my YouTube,
Artlist.io.
0 in Randy's YouTube, and 0 in Nick's YouTube. wonder if Nick's gonna join us today. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a little skeleton there. It's a Halloween theme.
Artlist.io.
Thought that was cute, so I just added it in. There's a whole bunch of backgrounds you can put on. Haunted house, witch, cute spooky banner, graveyard. Let's change up this music here, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's go with this one.
Artlist.io.
Let's see if we're gonna hold at this 68.94 level. It's been the support like all night.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we're right on PLC right now. Let's toss it on here. As you can see, they, yesterday we had sold off pretty heavily towards the end and then just popped right up, and then we've been holding this ever since.
Artlist.io.
And that was actually the line in the sand for me on my trades yesterday. That's why I ended up getting out basically break even, because I think it was this one was that one.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's get our put up this banner here about top 1 futures. Trevor, morning. How you doing? So we did just break the PLC there, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, just gonna be patient here, guys. Let's let this opening range set, and we'll be keeping an eye on this point of control here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I'm pretty low on energy, guys. Sorry if I'm not very talkative. Just still sick. Trying to keep an eye on YM possibly today. It's it sold off, you know, and broke the lows sort of just before it had that pop. So around 3:30. And we have an inverted fair value, or we have a bearish fair value gap right at the point of control. So if we can get a nice candle closure above that, that'd be pretty interesting to maybe take a trade on.
Music licensing reimagined.
Thanks everybody for tuning in though. We got quite a few viewers on X and a few in YouTube. 37 people right now.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Hey Trevor, did you see Zach Biogen? His stream? He's got like some sort of a pillow head or something. I don't know.
Music licensing reimagined.
So funny. I should have worn a costume for today too. That would have been funny. Never even thought about that.
Artlist.io.
Still sort of holding that point of control in the overnight VWAP, guys, or the previous day VWAP. Is that where that is? Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, my sinuses are so plugged. Ugh. I'll apologize ahead of time if I keep making these like snorting noises over here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got a bunch of orders at 68.90 here on the book map. And we got 69.37. 37. There's quite a few up at 69.37 there. 37.50.
Artlist.io.
So,
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
not a whole lot going on financial juice. Okay, ES finally took those the POC, and now we're at overnight VWAP here. Pulling down pretty heavy here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder if we're gonna get Nick today.
Artlist.io.
So we're kind of at a little bit of a key area of support from the previous session. We're holding this level. If they start ripping lower, I mean, we could try to take a short down towards you know, the lows here, previous day low, 68.50. Lots of room down there, so we'll be patient here and make sure that we're going to be going there before we jump in anything here. We do have 68.68 is our previous day's value area low. So we got value area low there at 68.68.
Artlist.io.
We'll just mark these levels up here so that we know what's going on. Previous day's low.
Music licensing reimagined.
Previous day high.
Artlist.io.
Starting to sell off a little bit more there. We're still holding sort of that low there. Now, if we can hold up above the point of control, we'll definitely be considering a long. Shoot for a quick 10 points or so if we can get a nice candle closure above there. And then we can just put our stop sort of at the low here. We'll give it a little more space. We should actually probably go below value area low. It'll be a little negative risk to reward, but obviously we probably won't let it get there. That's just a security blanket in the case that Trump, you know, says the meeting with Xi is off.
Music licensing reimagined.
But so far we're looking pretty bearish. YM found a little bit of support, looked a little more bullish at the moment, but it popped up and it rejected off the overnight VWAP and the New York VWAP. So
Artlist.io.
and our range is set, guys, so we mark that out real quick.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of holding the bottom of the range. I'm going to grab that coffee now. My apologies.
Artlist.io.
Sitting on the bottom of the range right now here, guys. I do have half a mind to take a long right now, but pretty bearish since, you know, what time is this? 5 a.m. roughly, or 8 a.m. So I'd like to see some sort of bullish momentum here before we take a long. So this could actually be an opportunity to get in a short on the rejection of the point of control. So we kind of have two ideas right now, guys. It's all around the point of control here. So there's one like this, and the other idea would be, let's see here, short position, sort of down there, stop at the highs, targeting the lows.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Quick 150 on GC pop. Oh, I'm not even watching gold. Oh, what am I doing here? Nice, 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 nice. Nice little move.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice trade, Keith.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Here I was eyeing YM. YM is looking pretty bullish right now, though. And you did this while you're driving, Keith? That's awesome.
Music licensing reimagined.
ES bouncing a little bit here. Found some support at the bottom of the range. YM just took the POC. Pretty volatile, which is also the top of the range.
Artlist.io.
So I guess we could think about taking a long on the YM if we get a nice closure. We do have a bearish fair value gap that we need to deal with in the way. 47.71, 771, 47.778 area.
Music licensing reimagined.
So rejected off that bearish fair value gap and point of control so far on the YM. Gold pulling back really hard there, down to yesterday's VWAP. Ugh. Well, glad you got out there, Keith. Car, not truck. Oh, okay. So what, did you pull over like for the market open or what? That's so funny. This guy's trading from his car, making money. Love it.
Music licensing reimagined.
You SE?
Artlist.io.
Gibberish? LOL?
Music licensing reimagined.
I gotta try to get us some new music here, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
How do I turn? That's so funny. Zach Boyajian went away. He got changed into a scuba outfit. That's so awesome. I was actually thinking that would be what I would wear, is a scuba mask and snorkel. Good idea.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Not loving the price action so far, guys. It is Friday. It is the end of the month. So price action's a little weird. I guess we could have taken the short right there. Hey, look at that. That would have played out. But I was hoping for more of a closure above and then a failure or something, not just a quick wick up there. Pretty hard to take that.
Music licensing reimagined.
let's take a look back here. Gold found support at previous day's VWAP so far, and now it's fighting with the overnight VWAP. What's YM doing? YM fell back down.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Guys, not doing much so far. Sold off. Now we're sitting down at the bottom of the range here. Red light? Oh, you're at a red light? No way. Oh, Keith, you're a wild man. You're a wild guy, man.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
MNQ's looking the most heavy right now.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Put on a trade with brackets, and then I don't have to watch once in trade. Yeah, exactly. That's what I had done last night for 3 of the 4 hours in my trade. And then I was like at home and I was it popped up really nicely. I added to the trade. So I was like, oh no. And then it pulled back on me again. As you can see, it was so chop here. Like, really wish I would have traded the range. Could have made a ton of money. Just like, it was just so clean, the range, you know? But it's all good. Passed up like $60, $80 winner a few times on these like on these little pops here. At least on these ones anyways. And this one. I think I had cut the trade right around here. And then after I went to bed, it popped up sort of to where my targets were. I would have hit all my targets right there at 69.05. But a little frustrating because I spent quite a long time in that trade to only make $8. So it was like $2 an hour.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, not really seeing anything I want to take just yet, guys. Sorry for seems a little boring so far, but is what it is. I'd rather be flat if I have to. month is still looking pretty good here. Got 4 red days over the month here. 2 of them were on Sundays. But my one winning day on Sunday really took it out. So gold's popping right now.
Music licensing
Gold is popping.
reimagined.
Maybe we're going to get a run on gold today, guys. We got room all the way up to 40.46 here. And look at that, 40.20 was actually the support. 40.20 on gold has been a level I've been paying attention to for some time now, and it seems to be a pretty key level.
Artlist.io.
Got a little giveaway on Zach Boyajian's channel.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Starting to go lower here, guys. Maybe we're going to see the value area low. I need to open the door a little bit. It's hot in here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Got Mr. Ralph drinking some water. Uh-oh. Zach's going to change another outfit today or what? I think all my costumes are at the farm, even if I wanted to put one on.
Artlist.io.
Zach Boyajian showed up now with a
Music
dirt bike helmet.
licensing reimagined.
It's funny.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Found some pretty heavy support there on NQ, down at 26,063, which is a previous day VWAP. One second.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, pretty strong bounce there on NQ. They found at the previous day VWAP.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just getting a little caught up here on what's going on the Discord channel. If you guys want to join the Discord channel, there's a little the link there. I'll link it in the chat too, just in case.
Artlist.io.
Might be a little easier to find. Let's put this through here. It's a free community, more just hanging out and just chatting. We got the little coaching area, so if you guys have any questions about trading or mindset, stuff like that, any of those types of things, we got a little crypto channel, we got news and events. Obviously the general chat is where we just hang out and talk about whatever, announcements, and we got a couple voice rooms too if you guys wanted to, like, you know, bring your friend or whatever and get together and you guys can talk in the voice room while you're trading and then have somebody to hang out with. Wonder if we're gonna fill this gap here, guys. Let's mark off this gap here.
Artlist.io.
Well, actually, we already closed part of the gap. There's still that little bit below the previous day low.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So if you guys are looking for some good accounts to get into, Top One Futures currently has Ignite AF account here. It's kind of like the most inexpensive way to get into an account. It's pretty killer. The price is $358. You can get 50% off right now, so about $160, $180, and you can get into a straight to funded account. They do have a 15% consistency score, which is, it's only 5% better. So what you got to do is take your largest trade, multiply it by 6.5, and that's what your profit target would have to be. So you want to keep your max winning day just below that level. But yeah, definitely if you're looking for some accounts and maybe on a bit of a budget, that's the cheapest way to get into a sim funded account. And you can use my code Market Butcher Trades MBT to get 50 or 55% off depending on which accounts you pick. Get my shameless plug out of the way. And I am a little biased, obviously, because I am affiliated with them, but I do believe in them. I like trading Project X. It's got lots of safety features put in place, and
Artlist.io.
And overall, they're a good company. They've been only going for about 6 months now, and they've already paid out over $16 million. So
Artlist.io.
They're killers. They're killer groups. Also support Lucid Trading. They have like an all-in-one kind of fee. If you buy a evaluation account, you can get that for under, I think it's like $60 with the discount. And you can get it's one-time payment. You can pass it in one day, and then after you get into a funded account, the payout structure is pretty interesting. So if you get over 2,100, then anything over that you can kind of build it up. So
Artlist.io.
I got a cough here. Sorry, guys. Ooh.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Gold's popping again here a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, guys, let's hopefully something happens here. So far, not seeing anything I like. We do have orders at 68.92 up there, sort of at the point of control. Looks like we might be heading there right now. but we do have these recent highs there at 87, 80, 88 level.
Music licensing reimagined.
We'll get a move eventually here. It's just when. We might be sitting around for a while here, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We should have slept in today, guys. We could have slept in until 7:20. What was that noise?
Artlist.io.
Oh, there. That's what it was. It was an Instagram message.
Music licensing
Haha.
reimagined.
Well, we got our Twitch scammer, streambo.com.
Artlist.io.
Oh, this patient thing is boring.
Artlist.io.
But it's key. It's key. It's key to the success.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach's changing his outfit again. I feel like I should almost join him. What do I got?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
ES is taking it slow here, guys. Get rid of that idea.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I hate being sick. Probably won't stream very long today, guys, just because I am feeling a little under the weather. As you could probably hear by my voice.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
That high day VWAP, is that what that one is? No, that's not that. What is this? All-time high VWAP there.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Oh, geez. I guess I was thinking about taking a long there on the NQ, and it looks like we missed it.
Music licensing reimagined.
ES found support there on that previous day. Well, what VWAP is that even? What is that? I don't even know what that is. Let's get rid of that. That's from like way back. Get rid of this guy too.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's just been going sideways too. It did pop up a bit, and then it sold off, held the New York VWAP, and now it's just been
Artlist.io.
sort of bouncing around between the recent high and the New York VWAP. If we can get up above previous day high, that would definitely be a clear indication of a long potential. But so far, I'm not really seeing anything that I want to trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, not a whole lot going on here, guys. Sorry to say.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Let's keep an eye here. If we could take this New York VWAP here nicely, could think about taking a little long here. Long scalp, something like this. But I'm not that convinced here, guys, just yet. Yeah, I'll probably end the stream pretty early.
Music licensing reimagined.
Coughing too much. That last cough kind of gave me a headache. What can I say? I just love trading so much. It doesn't matter if I'm sick. I can still come. Okay, so gold pulling back here, guys. Sort of rejected off the recent highs, and then pulled back to the New York VWAP, found a little bit of support, and then now it just broke right through, heading towards the overnight VWAP. We're currently trying to invert a fair value gap.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder if we could take the inversion of that fair value gap to the downside. We've been in a bit of a short-term trend, bearish trend, since we popped up anyways.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I really wish I had some Neo Citron right now.
Artlist.io.
So the IB is set here, guys. Just set right now. We're gonna just put in our IB low currently. Looks like I haven't even done it on here before. IBL, and we'll do this one with a little bit of a
Music licensing reimagined.
What color do I usually use for IB? IB low. That's the IB high right there. Right? 630. Yep. IB high. And let's save it as a template.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like they're trying to take the New York. So we're going to wait. Let's go down to the 3-minute here. Let's wait for a 3-minute closure above the New York VWAP. Could try to take just a quick scalp here.
Artlist.io.
Sort of like 4.5 points. Gonna wait for this candle closure though here, guys.
Artlist.io.
So we got a 2-minute closure up there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So Keith, I just noticed that you play World of Warcraft. If you're still around,
Music licensing reimagined.
I played that for many years a while back.
Artlist.io.
Trying for a small scalp here, kind of a little bit late to it, but just shooting for 2 points. Let's see if we can't get a little winner here on this momentum. I'm probably going to be aggressive on my stop here. If we can get a couple more ticks up,
Artlist.io.
put that stop in there. Come on, boys, let's go.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm going to cut this pretty quick, though, if it goes any lower here. Basically, if we can't hold this New York view up, we're going to cut it. I saw that on the Discord channel. It shows that it shows some like World of Warcraft activity on there. So maybe when you were logged in Discord and then you went on to World of Warcraft. Well,
Music licensing reimagined.
just got back into playing that. Nice. Yeah, it's a great game. I just don't really have the time for it nowadays. So I have a good couple of friends who play it still. One of my better friends from a really long time, he plays it pretty consistently still. Has pretty much since the very early days.
Artlist.io.
Well, looking like we might end up getting a stop out here, guys. Don't really want to let this fall too far on me. Oh, let's go. We do have those orders at 68.90. I feel like that's the next
Artlist.io.
next little area for us. Come on, guys, let's go.
Music
Pop it up, pop it up.
licensing reimagined.
Be nice to the butcher today on Halloween. Just give me a little W. Would appreciate it. There we go. Come on. Take it. Take it, take it. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Thinking about dropping my stop here. No. No, don't do that. Damn, guys. It was almost there. We got edged, sort of.
Music licensing.
Come on, guys.
reimagined.
Take it. Take it. Take it, take it, take it. Randy B, come on, Randy B. There we go. Nice. 45 bucks and 5 lucid accounts. Not bad, not bad. Little scalp there, tight little scalp. Not looking for too much on it. Took 5 contracts long. The break of the New York view up. Just targeting 2 points.
Artlist.io.
So a quick 50 bucks minus fees, 5 bucks off. So $45 times 5. Little base hit. Little base hit. Not looking for too much today.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it is just a time killer, isn't it? Yeah. It's just like, if you really want to play it, it takes a large time commitment, right? Like, just with all the layers involved, right? Like, if you're going to get into, you got to do the auction house, and you got to, level your character, and you got to, level all your, there's just so many layers to it. I just kind of like, sometimes, because I don't have as much time now, I just want to like jump on and play something that takes like no effort, like you don't have to put in, a long session to like have your character bigger, higher level, whatever. So I've been, playing like, I play a game called Smite sometimes. It's kind of like a third person, sort of like a third person World of Warcraft kind of game. I don't know if you heard of that one before, but I've been playing that one for years and years. They recently put out Smite number 2. And then, I like to play Fortnite on occasion just to get in and shoot some stuff. I've been playing their I haven't played it actually in a few months now, but Ballistic, it's kind of like Counter-Strike, but Fortnite.
Artlist.io.
And then, a little more lately, I've been playing those silly YouTube games.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Let's take a quick look at MNQ here. Looking like we're popping up a little bit here.
Artlist.io.
Starting to look a little bullish on the NQ here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So waiting for a duck race here on ASFX, and then also waiting for a duck race on Zach Boyajian's channel. At least we're doing something today. Made $45 in 5 Lucid accounts. When I played 6 years ago, was real good. 3rd ranked healer on the server, and then I made it easy for everyone, so I quit. LOL. Nice, Keith. What server were you playing on, and what guild were you in? Just curious. My good buddy's name is Walls. He's still very active in the World of Warcraft. Like he's played,
Artlist.io.
how they released like the old version that you could play again. That was kind of cool. I thought about joining for that, but then I just thought like, it'd be fun to level a rogue and then just play PvP with it. Because me and him, when we were way back in the day, we did dual rogues, or then I also did a mage, and he was a rogue. That was pretty cool.
Music licensing reimagined.
Beaner?
Artlist.io.
Bean. What have you been? Bean.
Music
What?
licensing reimagined.
You got me hooked. What's up to the viewers? We got looking like 14, 26, 30, 35 people in X and 4 in YouTube. Thanks for hanging out, everybody.
Artlist.io.
Getting a little bit of momentum there. It looks like gold's starting to fall off. It would be interesting to see what happens at the 4,020 level there.
Artlist.io.
Oh, it looks like they're doing a duck race on ASFX right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's a 6-second race. 5, 4. Looks like Leo Ray is going. Willabatha, Bergium, Nathan Bergam.
Artlist.io.
Getting a little strong, guys, here. Getting a little bit of a move up. Being so long, don't remember server or guild. Okay. Yeah, I actually... what guild was I in? Yeah, it's been so long, dude. Me too.
Music licensing
Server.
reimagined.
Night Elf Druid, the only way to go. Cat and Tree, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Especially back when, remember when you used to be able to put like those little hots, heal over time, like little leaves or something you used to be able to apply on everybody? That was like the crazy day, and all you had to do is just keep cycling the leaf so that it would keep the heal going. That was pretty overpowered.
Artlist.io.
Pretty overpowered healing. Oh, I see Trevor. Trevor, I see you.
IO.
Trevor, come on, let's go, bud. You can do it. Let's see you get a W there. Oh, you're pulling back. You're pulling back a bit. You got 54 seconds, though, so it's all good.
Music licensing
47
reimagined.
seconds here. I don't see myself on there just yet. I must be way back in the back of the pack, which is fine by me because... Oh, there. I see I'm in the middle there. I got a pink duck today. Jake Crosby's coming in from the back here. Ripped out front. Market Butcher falling back here. Where's Trevor? Looking for Trevor. 18 seconds here. This is going to be the deciding little rip here. Some guys coming from the back. D-Net coming in the back. Oh, rejected. Oh, Wilkes. Wilkes is going to win. Wilkes is going to win. Yeah. Viking Duck Wilkes won.
Reimagined.
All right, Keith, have a good day. Take care. Man, I wish I had some accounts to give away like that. That would make life so much
Artlist.io.
more fun. Hey, Czar. It's been pretty okay. I just took one small scalp here on this bounce. Made $45 in my 5 Lucid accounts. So like a 250 day-ish or something like that so far. How about you? Did you take any trades? It's been pretty choppy, so I haven't really
Reimagined.
been very inclined to take any trades. Uh-oh.
Artlist.io.
Game over. I'd like my chances winning then. In the duck race? I saw you there, Trevor.
Music licensing reimagined.
Might have to. They might be doing another duck race because Wikus is not claiming the. He's not claiming the duck race on Zach Boyajians, so maybe he scrammed. Get some accounts, and then me, Czar, Keith will battle it out in the duck races. Yeah, I know, right? It would be pretty good chances. Took 4 MNQ plays, almost got trapped on the third trade, but it's all good. Okay. Yeah, you always got some good trade ideas, so Czar's the man. You guys didn't know. I saw Randy's post there in the Discord. He was saying he's been struggling a bit, lost a bunch. Yeah, I figured that out later. Trevor, sorry, my brain's a little sick. Not working that good right now. But yeah, I was saying I did see Randy's message in the Discord channel. Looks like he's blown a few accounts. Hasn't been trading very well. And I totally get it. I kind of like went through a bit of a hard stage there for a couple days. I don't know if you guys, I did mention it before, but I lost my 250K accounts a couple days back. They've been in drawdown. I've been battling them for, getting them back up to close to break even. Then I took max loss, and then I grind them back up a bit, and then I ended up taking another max loss, and then I just took couple more losses in a row and ended up getting to the point where there's like so little drawdown. It's kind of like this one's got to either win it or it's going to be a done deal. And you know what? It's funny because I've almost felt a little relieved that I'm no longer in those guys, because like not really having any luck with them anyways, so it's kind of like, profit target's 9K and I was down like 1,500, 2,000 kind of idea, because I had run them up to about 1,500 in profit
Artlist.io.
before I started, before they started going down. So yeah, so I figured let's just focus on 50Ks, a little bit closer target, a little bit easier to get to. Yeah, there's less drawdown, but if I can just keep trading these micros, can get there. We can get there over time. So
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah, I know if we ran a duck race, it'd be Keith, Czar, and you. And maybe Jose. Jose's here sometimes. So like a 1 in 4, 1 in 5 chances of winning.
Artlist.io.
So just watching ASFX stream, looks like I'm having bad memory right now. Can't think. Strong Trader. Can't think of his name for some reason. Such a brain fart. But he went short just now. After that nice strong 15-minute candle, seeing if we can print this next 15-minute candle lower. Because we are pretty rangy today, so it's kind of not a bad idea to try to play the range.
Artlist.io.
Sometimes it's nice to start fresh too. Drawdown can be draining. Yeah. And it was kind of like at the point where it's like I gotta either make a move on these guys, like try to make a big recovery, or just kind of move on, right? Because I have my 2 take profit trader accounts. They're a little over, I think they're up about $1,000 or a little bit more maybe in each of them. So I took a decent loss on them a couple days ago, unfortunately, but both of those are about $1,000 in the profit. Once I get them over 2,100, then that trailing drawdown locks. And then also I got these 5 Lucid accounts which I need to get past. So if I can do that, that would be pretty beautiful. Yeah. And I'm buying a pro account off of Daniel because he won it, but he can't trade it. He's from South Africa. He can't trade it. So I'm going to send him some crypto here after I get off the stream and activate that account. Maybe start trading that next week. It'll be a Lucid Direct account, 50K Direct.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Tanner, that's what the name is. Damn. Took a long time for me to get that pop into my mind. Tanner and Lawrence. I remember Lawrence's name. I just couldn't remember Tanner for some reason. I don't know any Tanners, so it's a kind of a different name for me.
Reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, guys, what are we gonna do here? Are we gonna take any more trades?
Artlist.io.
Hey, Dad. Good morning. How you doing? Didn't see you for a couple days there.
Reimagined. Artlist.io.
Looks like you originally said good morning on the wrong stream, the wrong video, like Wednesday's video. I see. I'm a little sick right now. Hey, Dad.
Music
I'm a little
licensing
sick.
reimagined.
Got the cold that's going around. Everybody's got lately. Need a fresh coffee.
Artlist.io.
I sort of changed the orientation of my mic here. I'm wondering if it sounds any better. If you guys notice.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's pulling back a bit here. Let's take a look at the YM real quick, because YM must be a little bit bullish because ES is looking a little bit stronger than NQ right now. Yeah, it's a little bit bullish. Yes, pulling back a little bit right there. We have a bearish fair value gap up above on the ES and on the NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
So Zach was just talking about on his channel that you can actually if you were to like go with a large size, let's try this. I got a little practice account here. So let's just check this out. I'm gonna go to the gold
Artlist.io.
here. Where's gold? Where's the full size gold? So we want GC. GC right there. Okay, so this is full size gold. He's saying that you can just like buy it and then sell it pretty quickly, and then you can kind of make a ton of money. So let's see if we can do that right here. Let's sell one right there. Uh-oh, we're gonna get stopped. Oh no. Let's target the bottom of that there. Let's give it a little more space here. Messing around here, guys, with my practice account. Didn't really work for me. Uh-oh. We're down 202 grand already, guys. This isn't working good. He just said you can buy it and then sell it right away and make a ton of money. So I think we're at maximum amount of accounts there, or of probably should have taken a long, hey? How many contracts am I using? Well, in my normal accounts, I only trade with like one micro, sorry. But I put 10 contracts here on this practice account trade. Down 1,600 currently. It's gonna come down. It'll come down and take us out here. We'll win. We'll get a nice little W here. Yeah, it's 10 full-size contracts. Let's see if we can't get it taken out right here. Pop it down one more point. So like, it's crazy that little move, I'm up $1,200, $1,500 there. And are we gonna get taken out? Oh, we got edged there, guys. We got edged. Look at that. Your phone is about 5 minutes behind the TV. There's a little, make sure that it says live on the bottom corner of your screen. And if it's not red, that live button, then that's why. So if you just touch the live button, it'll bring it up to, right in line with where we should be. So I got edged there on that order, and now we're down 15, 16, 1700.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I don't know how people can trade with this much, this many contracts, because like, look at that, down 2 grand, 2,500 right there, just that little space. I mean, I guess if you're on the right side of it, you can really make a ton of money real fast.
Artlist.io.
But let's just play around here with these guys.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Are we gonna get tagged out now? Little 2-point winner. 2 points times 10 is 200, 2,000. Come on, don't edge it again. Come on. There we go. Quick 2 grand on that trade there, guys. Woo! But I would have almost, if it was like a smaller account, could have easily just lost, could have just lost an account easily there. Let's try along here now. Stop a little bit lower there.
Music licensing
Uh-oh.
reimagined.
Maybe it wants to go lower. I'll just hope we're going to hold support here and bounce up again. Let's see if we can't get another 2 points on 6 contracts here. If only trading all my accounts felt so stress-free. This is not real, right?
Artlist.io.
Let's try to add one here. Added there. Let's see, are they going to get the bounce? Come on. Let's bring our stop up here. There we go. There we got it. Nice. So we're up 3,381 in those 2 little trades. And I feel like we got to take a short here real quick. It's going to come right back down here.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. 3,600. If only it was that easy, hey guys? Looks like it wants to go lower a bit.
Artlist.io.
Zach Boyajian's giving away his 3rd account of the day now.
Reimagined.
Can't wait for Zach Arbucci's new course to show up on ASFX TV. It'll be a nice, it's going to be a fun one. He's got like 22 or 23 videos. So if you guys haven't signed up to ASFX TV before, you can sign up and use the code FIRST, FIRST, and you can get your first month free. And then you can go through all the courses, you can watch the live streams, and then see if there's any value in there. And then maybe you want to stick around.
Artlist.io.
So that's what it's like to trade like Patrick Whelan, eh? Just YOLO it.
Music licensing reimagined.
YOLO it and quickly make $3,600.
Artlist.io.
Got a little trend line there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
MNQ starting to pop up here a bit, guys. We do still have that bearish fair value gap up above here, which rejected this previous high there, 26,180, 175.
Artlist.io.
Did you get that figured out there, Dad, with your phone?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Where'd that GC go? Maybe we can play around with this gold again. Since nothing else is really going on.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
What are you thinking here? Maybe we can put a sell order up here? See if we can't get popped up here and then enter short on this practice trade. Don't take this trade, guys. Don't copy me. Just playing around here with the practice account. See if we can't lose our money that we made. I gave up and put the phone down. Just have you on the TV. There, I can't text. Oh yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
No red line saying live. Oh no, it's not a red line. It's just it's a lot. It says live on the bottom corner of your screen, and then that should be red.
Artlist.io.
Let's see here. I'll open up one on my phone and see. So you can kind of see there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's touch a screen once and then they'll show up there. It'll show. Okay, you got it. Nice. Yeah, pretty hard to see on the phone there, but
Music licensing reimagined.
we got a duck race going. Good luck, Trevor. If you're still there. Business builder videos out in the front again. Where's the market butcher?
Artlist.io.
Oh, I see me. I'm kind of in the bottom third. Where's Trevor?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I'm pushing up a bit. Where's Trevor? Where's Trevor? I don't see your name, Trevor. You must be in the back. That's a good thing.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
PJVK 333 1 33.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I know I didn't see your name at all on that one. Mine peeked out for a little bit, was coming, pushing his way up to the front, but then yeah, no luck. You must have been way back in the back of the pack, eh? Ooh.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, Trevor. Yeah, you have a good weekend also. Thanks for hanging out. Too bad we weren't winners today. Eventually, one of us are gonna win again.
Music licensing reimagined.
Happy Halloween! Oh, I'm so lazy today, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Oh, prop firm match is still
Music
going.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, so interesting, guys. Zach's in a short trade on NQ, and it's almost identical to a short trade I've been in for a while now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Coffee machine shutting off there.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys. So just taking a look at who the viewers are. Looks like we got 37 people in the X channels and 2 in the YouTube. So we're just chilling. We're chilling. Maybe it's going to take about a year or more for us to build up our viewers. Hopefully I can get some nice payouts to show you guys, and people will start to funnel in.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Going for coffee. Hey, Dad. Your turn.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Got edged there on my take profit order, guys. No.
Artlist.io.
I need to put my stop in there, actually. I don't want this to go against me.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I put my stop in there, guys. Might be a break even. Looking like, yeah. I just got stopped out in that short break even. Just didn't want to risk it, so I got edged on my take profit there at 26,125. So I just closed it. I didn't want it to go against me again. And it is Friday. Excuse me.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, guys. Well, it's 8:30. I took the one trade in my lucid accounts there.
Music licensing
Up $45 in all those accounts. I took that other trade on NQ. Ended up cutting it break even. Actually going into profit again now, but I just didn't want it to. There's a bullish fair value gap right around my profit target, and it didn't hit it. It edged it, and it started bouncing. So I just, and in that situation, it felt like it could have just ripped higher, and taken out the my entry price. So I just put it in slightly break even. I think, what did I make here? Did I even make anything? Let's see. It was actually a 100% break-even trade, I think.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Break-even trade. So, no harm, no foul on that guy. But like I was saying, I think we're just going to wrap it up here. Pretty slow day. Not a whole lot of volatility. No real clean trades, clean actions. So, thanks a lot for everybody who did tune in. We got 14 in Randy's X. We got 9 in my X. We got 14 in Nick's X. 2 in my YouTube. And we got 2 in the Twitch channel. That's interesting. So, yeah, I'm probably going to try to go back to sleep for a bit here, guys. Just gotta feel better. Get over this sickness for next week. Gold's popping up pretty good here, guys. Nice little bounce there. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. We will be live Sunday at 6 p.m. on the East Coast, 3 p.m. West Coast time. And we'll be hoping to make some trades. Going to keep the size small. Try to get a nice W out of the couple W's out of there. Just lock in some green on the weekends. Give you guys a quick look again back at my calendar here. It's been a great month so far. I did lose my 250K Top 1 Futures accounts. So once I archived those, because they were mostly losses on this month, my month actually got better. So I archived those 2 accounts. So any of the trades that I had previously that were on here, took it away and actually added to my monthly profit. So yeah, not bad. We're up, up about halfway, a little more than halfway on our Lucid accounts here. What do we got? Sorry. What do we got here? Lucid, here we go. This is a good way to see it. So 1900 in this account, 1700 this account, 1600 here, 250 and 125, 127 on those accounts. So yeah, those accounts are looking good. The our month is looking good. Finished the week off solid. Like about 2K on the week. So, first week, 3 days made almost 2K. Week 2, I was down 2.8K after taking a pretty large max loss day on my Lucid account on the Tuesday the 7th. The third week, I was up 3,230. On the fourth week, up 2,700. And now on the fifth week, we're up 1.89K, but I haven't uploaded these guys. So this is what 45 times 5 is 225. So we're basically just over $2,000 on the last day here. Look at MES now. Oh my God. I shouldn't have stopped out that trade, hey guys. Look at that. If I would have just not stopped it out, we would have been up, a couple $100 in that trade. Oh well, can't be upset over spilt milk. Is what it is. So yeah, we're gonna end the stream now. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great weekend. Happy Halloween, and we will see you on Sunday.